saan ang somewhere. Saan means where. Ang means is, the. So in that sense, saan ang CR? Where is the toilet? Where is the bathroom? In the Philippines, or in Manila particularly, we say CR. We don't say toilet or we don't say bathroom. We say CR as in comfort room. Saan ang? Saan ang bangko? Saan ang ATM? Saan ang sinehan? Paano pumunta sa? How to go to or how to get to. Paano means how. Pumunta means to go. Paano pumunta sa SM? SM is a shopping mall in Manila and around the Philippines. How do I get to SM? Paano pumunta sa SM? Paano pumunta sa bangko? How do you go to the bank? Paano pumunta sa istasyon?